Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. I've been braiding for years and this little trick eluded me up to this point. Lacing needles are a vital part of the craft. I'm honestly surprised that I have only this bunch to work with. I kinda need to stock up. So what do you do when you either lose a lacing needle, don't have one around, maybe you're traveling, something like that? Here is one way of improvising a lacing needle. Grab something stiff, maybe a hairpin, small stick, maybe even a thick match. Grab your cord, remove some of the inner strands. Push into your cord and seal up the end. What you got here is a makeshift lacing needle which is stiff and is going to help you guide your cord through your knots. So as you can see, our makeshift lacing needle does work. It's not as good as your polished, professional lacing needles, but in a pinch it does work. The result, a nice looking Turk's head knot. I would like to sincerely thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in my future videos as well.